Gotta test out if it's fan proof. We could do it real big, bigger than you ever done, and you be up on everything other niggas ever on. Hey guys, oh that hurt. Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. So today I just got a wig in the mail from Amazon, and yes, I did open it, but today I have a headband wig and I'm so excited to show you guys. So this wig is from AISI Queen Hair, or the AISI Hair store on Amazon, and this wig came pretty fast. So it says that I ordered it like the 15th and I got it like yesterday, so the 19th. Didn't take that long at all, maybe 4 to 5 days. And it's this headband wig, and headband wigs have been going viral everywhere, so I'm gonna show you guys what came in the packaging. We have a wig cap, AISI Hair store card. So it's from AISI Hair, but when you see on an Amazon it says NNZES Hair, it's the same thing. Just an instruction manual for anyone who might need it. The wig itself, she looks short, but trust me, it's not. And the headband, so I couldn't wait, and I already opened it before, so I'm not gonna put on a wig cap. So this wig is a kinky straight wig. Like, look at the crimps in the hair. It's supposed to mimic natural hair, what natural hair would look like straightened. I think they did a pretty good job. This hair is so soft, like ridiculously soft, you know. Inside of the wig, has some combs. I'm just gonna take this tag off. I'm gonna plop this bad boy on my head. I'm so excited to see what it looks like on. So this wig is pretty tight and it is pretty long. So it is 24 inches. It's tangling a little bit, as you can see here. But it is a synthetic wig. This wig is 24 inches. And for the 24 inches one, it's $27. And for the 16 inch, it's $26. So I think it's only like a $1 difference. I'd go for the 24 inch one, as I already did, because you get way more hair. I'm really liking how I look with this on. This is so easy. Like, I'm done. I'm done with my hair. And like, from afar it looks like I'm sharing my own hair. It does tingle a little bit, but that's okay. It's a synthetic wig. It was as expected. I thought I would have a problem with the like hairline after the headband, but no, it's fine. I tried to do my edges off camera. Just use the headband to cover the braids. And this is so simple. Like, this is the easiest style I've ever did with the wig. And the kinky straight look is so beautiful. So thank you again, AISI Hair, for sending me this beautiful, beautiful wig. It is so soft and long. And it doesn't shed much. It sheds a little bit. Like, that's one strand of hair, if you could see it. But this is really, really beautiful. Like, I could wear this every single day. It's very lightweight, but the hair looks very thick. I'm gonna try to do a style, but I'm a bit injured, so... Ow! This wig can do many styles. I can't do the styles for you guys because I need both my arms to do my hair, and one of my arms is very injured right now. But I'm gonna insert pictures on the screen of styles that you can do with this exact wig here. It's so easy and versatile, and this is perfect for if you don't know how to lay like lace down. This has zero lace. Like, this is just beautiful. It's like the kinky straight look without it being super puffy, you know. Just give you guys a 360. This wig is just so beautiful on its own. Like, I'm really happy. Thank you so much, AISI Hair, for sending me this wonderful wig. Like, I'm gonna start telling people this is my real hair if they ask. Thank you so much, guys, for clicking on this video and checking it out. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because I make so many hair videos and I would love to have you guys a part of my little YouTube channel. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. Oh, we gotta test out if it's fan proof. Leave a fan. Turn on. Oh, wait. My backdrop. Wait, hold on. Baby, you're my everything. You all I ever wanted. We could do it real big, bigger than you ever done it. You be up on everything. I'm a niggas ever on. Wow. That was so fun. Besides my backdrop being a bit exposed, that was so fun. This wig is gorgeous and very lightweight and very affordable.